In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change order item weight in Shippo. Whether you're an e-commerce business owner or simply managing your shipments, understanding how to modify weight details is essential. Updating item weights accurately ensures that shipping costs are correctly calculated and that your packages reach your customers without any issues. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you typically use to navigate the internet. In the search bar at the top, type in Shippo. You'll see several results pop up, but go ahead and click on the link with the URL that contains goshippo.com. This is Shippo's official website, where you can access all the tools you need for managing your shipping needs. Once you're on the Shippo homepage, locate the Log In button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to follow through with these steps. But assuming you already have one, go ahead and enter your login details to access your Shippo dashboard. After successfully logging in, look for the Orders icon in the dashboard menu. This icon will take you to the section where all your orders are displayed, showing important details about each one. You'll want to click on this to begin the process of changing the item weights. In the Orders section, find the specific order you need to update. The orders are typically organized in a list format, and you'll find the Items column within this list displaying essential details for each order. Click on the order you need to modify directly under the Items column. This action will open up more detailed information about the selected order. Within this detailed view, you can now update the weight of each item. You'll find fields where you can input the correct weight and specify the unit type, whether it's ounces, grams, pounds, or kilograms. It's crucial to enter the correct weight to ensure that your shipping costs and logistics are accurately handled. Finally, after making all the necessary changes to the item weights, don't forget to hit Save. This step is vital as it ensures that all your updates are stored and applied to the order. Forgetting to save would mean your efforts go unnoticed, so double-check and make sure the save was successful. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently update item weights within Shippo, ensuring that your shipping process runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy shipping!